Okay. So now
Recording in progress.
so it will come US business unit data. Okay, let me UK business unit. For example, if I select the UK business unit, the related UK organization names will come. When I select the UK business unit, the related UK organization names will come. Okay. Based on the collection of the BU name, the related organization names will come. So for that, what we need to in the organization prompt, we have to make limit by BU name. We have to mention there. I think in the last class we have explained that. Okay. So now today, what we will do, based on these two values, data should be restricted. For example, UK business unit HCM UK. If I select the HCM UK, click on apply. See, based on these two values, the data should be filtered here. So based on these two values, the data should be filtered out. Based on dashboard prompts, based on the based on the dashboard should dashboard report should be filtered. Based on the dashboard prompt values, dashboard report should be filtered. Okay. For that, for options by department, options by manager, click on edit. So go to the respective reports. I'm going to options by department department report. Go to options by department report. So now go to the criteria. So there is a option filter. So there is an option called there is an option called filter is prompted. When user select the BU name as value, okay, means when you select the value from the business unit name, click on OK. Same way organization name also you have to mention like this. Filter is prompted. Is prompted. So the user select the values from the business unit name. The user select the value from the organization name. The business unit name, organization name, prompted means selected. Prompted means selected. Save the changes. Okay. Same thing you can do for the manager also. So we have done the options by department dashboard. Business unit name is prompted. Organization name is prompted. Same thing you can do for manager also. Go to the criteria. Business unit name, filter is prompted. Organization name, filter is prompted. Everything. So we need to run the dashboard now. So select the HCM UK. Click on apply. Select. So based on these two values, data coming right. So now based on these two values, here data not there in the system. So that is the reason we are not seeing the data here. So based on these two values, department data coming, but based on these two values, there is no data in the system. That is the reason it is not coming. So for your testing purpose, if you want to see all the data, then what you will do? You remove this condition. You remove that filter and search. You know all the data coming. Okay, for your better understanding, UK business unit, legal UK, we will search. Legal UK. Okay. UK business unit, legal UK, will search. UK business unit. So here in the down report, you will get the data. Okay. So whatever the data available in the system, it will come. Understand, right? Or anything do you want to show once again? So based on these two values, data coming right. So for that, we need to go to respective reports, and there we need to mention filter as is prompted.
Vamshi, is there any limit to add number of reports to one dashboard?
No, yeah, you can add a number of reports here, but scroll will come.
Okay.
Scroll will come. You can add a number of reports. Maximum you can add 7, 8 like in the real time, but you can add a number of around 50 to 60 also. But no one will take that requirement 50 reports in one dashboard. But it will be like that only. So you add a number of reports here in the dashboard, but Scroll will come. So that is this one. Okay. So guys, here for example, if I select this value, if I select this value, example, Taiwan business unit. But there is no data here. So for example, UK business unit, finance UK. See, for example, if I select these two values, but data not coming, right? If I select these two values, data not coming, right? So no results, something it is coming here. So in case if there is no data in the reports, in case if there is no, whatever the values you selected here, there is no data in the reports. So in case based on the values, dashboard prompts, if there is no data, display meaningful message. Guys, do you feel that I'm going anything fast? You can ask me, guys. I can show once again. Because we took 1 week break, right? So maybe you, if you miss anything, you can ask me. I can revisit or I can show once again. Or if you are following means we'll continue from here. Hmm? Yeah. Okay. So for example, if in case if the values whichever you have been selected, if the data not come, so what you will do? That click on it. So advanced section. Right. So so go to the criteria. So there is a option called properties. Display custom message. Go to the criteria. Display custom message. Go to the criteria. Properties. This window will be open. Display custom message. Mention that no data available for selected values from the prompts. No data available selected values from the prompts. Click on OK. Save the changes. Same way organization name also you can mention filter. Custom message. Sorry. Go to the properties. Display custom message. Okay. Same. Okay. Same thing you can do for the manager also. Options by manager also. Display custom message. Save the changes. Click on results. Go to the dashboard and run that. Run the dashboard. So now what you will do, select the UK. Select the UK business unit. HCM UK. See, no data available for selected values from the prompts. So this is the custom message. For example, if you select the finance, like this. So what we have done today is we have done two things. One is based on the dashboard prompts, dashboard data should be filtered. In case based on the value selected in the dashboard prompts, if there is no data, display custom message. Custom message or meaningful message. Meaningful message. These two we have done today. Any questions guys about these 2 points? Okay. So now next one is display the dashboard tabs. Display the dashboard tabs. Display the dashboard tabs. So let's say display the dashboard tabs. So display the dashboard tabs. Let's say for example, tab 1, I want to display full data. Tab 2, display dashboard. Tab 1 full data, tab 2 display department data. Tab 3 display manager data. So I want to display full data in the tab 1, tab 2 only department data, tab 3 only manager data. Like that we need to display tab 1, tab 2, tab 3. Understand or not? So here we are going to display the tabs. Tabs means what? I will show you the tab how it will be. I will show you the tabs how it will be. I am opening in another browser. So this is the one of the dashboard. So this is one tab. This is second tab. Third tab. Program overview. Member insights. If I select the member insights, the related reports will come. If I select the transaction analysis, the related reports will come here. Okay, so like this, we are going to display 3 tabs. Tab 1, we are going to display full data of the dashboard. So whatever we have developed, right, that full data will come. Tab 2 display only department data. Options by department data. Tab 3 display manager data. Okay, so how to achieve this one? For that, so what we will do here in the dashboard, click on edit, click on edit, click on edit. Select the dashboard, click on edit, click on edit. So there is an option called add dashboard page, add dashboard page, add dashboard page, add dashboard page. So you can mention tab 2. So this is the first page 1 and coming here. This we can rename to tab 1 because tab 1 is the full data, right? Tab 1 is the full data. Okay. So this page 1 already there. This is the tab name. Okay. And we will rename this name. We'll rename this page 1 to tab 1 in the latter. So first we are going to create the 3 tabs, tab 2. In the tab 2, what we need to display is tab 2 display only department data. Drag and drop the column. Drag and drop the column. Shared folder. System. So what we will do here, tab 2. System down. Okay. Options is by department like this. Save the changes. So same way you can create one more tab. Click on this, add dashboard page, tab 3. Tab 3. So now here drag and drop the column. Options is by department manager. Save the changes. Okay. So now in the page 1 tab, we can rename this one to tab 1. So how to rename this one? Go to the settings or tools. Go to the tools, dashboard, dashboard properties. Page 1, rename tab 1 like this. Click on OK. Save the changes. Done. Click on tab 1. So now tab 1 full data. Click on tab 2. Only absences by department data. Tab 3. Absences by manager data. Like this. We have discussed 3 things today. One is based on the dashboard prompts, dashboard reports data should be filtered. This is completed. In case there is no data in the filter criteria, how we can display custom message. This is also done. So tabs also we have done. So any questions in these three points? Or anything do you want to repeat or do you want to show once again? I can show. Hmm?
No.
Okay. Now, so after we develop these three tabs, right? So we are our final thing is we are going to display in the home page. In the home page, we are going to display this dashboard. So currently, what is happening if you run the dashboard? So client has to click on open. Maybe client has the option to edit, right? Edit means they have an option to modify, right? But only we need to give the option to open the report, not for modifications, right? So for that, we are going to have one dashboard page here. So there is one dashboard page. In that, we are going to map our dashboard to home page. That means end user press that icon press, this dashboard will be open. For that, so for that there is an option called sandbox. Sandbox. So when I say sandbox, the mechanism. Sandbox is a mechanism to do any look and feel changes for the Fusion application. Sandbox is a mechanism to do any look and feel changes for the Fusion application. So, for example, I would like to do any look and feel changes here. Okay, any modifications or any, for example, there is a service option there. I want to rename this one. I want to remove this one. I want to remove anything here. So that now will be taken care by sandbox. So now what we need to do, when user press the dashboard here, the dashboard, our dashboard will be, this output will be open from the screen. For that what we will do, first we need to enable the sandbox. We need to enable the sandbox. How to enable the sandbox? Go here. First we need to enable the sandbox. Go to configuration, sandboxes. Create the sandbox first. So what is the purpose of sandbox is whatever the dashboard we have developed, the dashboard we have to map into the home page. For that we are creating the dashboard. So now what I will do, name. What I will do here,
Even like a dashboard sandbox. Like
name we can give any name.
yeah, dashboard 78. That would be better.
Dashboard
78.
70 na.
78. Yeah, Dev 78 now we are using.
Okay, sure. Any name you can give, okay. And so there are many options are there, right? So currently we require only structure required and page composer required. These two required. So appearance we will cover in the latter, okay. So page integration, there are 4 or 5 tools we can cover. So now we require only page composer and structure. So I will explain this to structure and page composer. What is the purpose? Structure and page composer purpose I will explain in this session. Okay. Create and enter. Create and enter. Create and enter. Create and enter. So when you enter the sandbox, in the top yellow bar will come here like this. The top side will come like this. So this bar indicates we are into sandbox. Click on home page. Okay, first enable the sandbox. So what is the navigation for the sandbox? Configuration.
Create sandbox. Create
Sandbox. And what we need to add in the sandbox?
name.
Add the
What's
structure. Structure and
page composer?
page composer. And give any name. And when we press the create and enter, when we press the create and enter, on top side, on yellow bar will come. When we press the create and enter, on top, one yellow bar will come. Yellow bar will come here. It will come yellow bar. Understand, right? Okay. One yellow bar will come. Okay. So now our first thing is, go to the structure. We need to, so there is a dashboard icon will be there. The dashboard icon by default, it will be not display. So we need to display. So how we can display the dashboard icon here? For that, go to the tools, go to the structure. The purpose of the structure is the icons, whatever the icons are there, right? These icons, some icons will be hide mode. Hide means not display. So we need to display in case if you require. So that will be taken care by structure. So now go to the structure. Go to the structure. Search here. Search. Dashboard. So my dashboard is there. Search the dashboard here. My dashboard. Click here. My dashboard. My dashboard. So I would like to move this my dashboard to my client group. Guys, if you feel that I'm going anything fast, you can ask me, guys. My client group. My dashboard. So whatever the my dashboard is there, right? So that my dashboard, I'm moving to the my client group. I would like to display. So see, show on navigator, show on springboard. It is showing no here. That is the reason we are not able to see the dashboard on the home page. Okay. So first we need to add the my dashboard in the my client group. So here we are taking the example of my client group. So you can take any of the group here. So I'm taking the my client group. Okay. Save and close. So now certainly you will see my dashboard in the my client group. After that, we have to map our dashboard into my client in the my dashboard. Save and close. So what is the purpose of structure? Is structure to manage the icons from the home page. So example, my dashboard was not displayed earlier. So now what we are doing, we are displaying the my dashboard from the home page. After that, we have to map. After that, we have to map our dashboard, whatever we have created from the my dashboard. How to map, I will show you. So now if you look at the home page, so if you go to my client group, you will see the my dashboard. Not going on. My dashboard, my client group, right?
Show a navigator we selected, no? Is it display?
Okay. My dashboard. Oh, sorry, this is the main. So one for by mistake I have not selected the S. Okay. So now I press the I change the S and click on save and close. Now go to the home page. Go to my client group. Go to my dashboard. So now in the my dashboard, so already one dashboard there. We are going to add our dashboard here. So how to add here? Click on tools. Click on tools. Page composer. Click on add content. Click on add content. Reports and analytics. OTBI presentations. System. System. Dashboard option. This is the one. So now what I will do is we need to adjust the layout. So now click on close. So I add the dashboard into my dashboard. Click on close. Using the add content. Click on close. So now if you press the home page and if you press my dashboard, you will see your dashboard. So here user will not have option to change and modify. Only they will see the data here. Only they will see the data here. So they will not have option to modify anything here. But if you go to OTBI here, we have option to modify, add anything, link, text, anything, right? So that is not possible here. So that is not possible in the, so end user we can access, end user can access from the our OTBI reports from like this, what I have shown just now. Okay. So now guys, last step what we need to do. So once we done the changes, so this will be applicable only for Dev 78 user. Dev 78 user only. This dashboard is applicable. That means whatever we have added our OTBI report in the home page, that will be, the changes will, we can see only for Dev 78 user. If this changes whatever we have done, this should be applicable for entire application, entire users. Then what you will do? There is an option called publish. Publish the changes. So after you develop the changes from the sandbox, that needs to be published. So what do you mean by publish? What publish will do? It will be applied. What it will publish? So it will be applicable for entire users from the Fusion. So currently the changes will be applied only for Dev 78 user. Okay. So now what we will do? For example, if I want to apply entire changes, then we'll go for the publish. Entire users from the Fusion application, then we'll go for the publish. Click on yes. Click on publish. So guys, here once publish, okay. So once publish the sandbox, the changes will be published to entire users, and you cannot modify anything in the dashboard Dev 78. Once publish, you cannot do any changes for this sandbox dashboard Dev 78. Once publish. Once published, so whatever you have done the changes, that will be applicable for only this sandbox. So that means, so once published, now this changes will be applied to entire users, and we cannot do any changes for this sandbox. We can publish. Okay, now you will not see our sandbox. So go to the my client group. Now you will see the my dashboard. If you have any other user, your Dev 78 instance, so you can see this dashboard. So once publish the sandbox, for example, we have created the Dev 78 sandbox, right? Okay. So once publish, we cannot do any change. Once published, we cannot do any changes in my dashboard. The published sandbox cannot do any changes. Once published, we cannot do any changes in sandbox. Okay. So, but client say that after a few days, client say that remove the whatever the changes you have done, right? Remove these changes. But as per my statement, once published, we cannot do any changes. Right? Removal also not possible. So, any changes means removal. So removal and modifications not possible in this sandbox. But client say that after a few days, client say that remove whatever you done the changes. Then how we can do that?
We have to create another sandbox.
Yeah, that we will do tomorrow class. Tomorrow class will do. From Wednesday we'll start 2 classes, guys. I will announce in the group, okay? From Wednesday we'll start the 2 classes. 8 to 9 and 9 to 10. 8 to 9 our Fusion will be continue. SQL will be continue. SQL will start on Wednesday. 22. Just 8 to 9, 10 minutes break, then 10 minutes break, then 9, 10 to 10 SQL. I will announce in the group. Thank you.